Remember that we were reading the book called Volcano Rising. The author begins the book by telling what most people think they know about volcanoes. On page 3, she writes, a little awkward, sorry. Kaboom! Most people think volcanoes are either sound asleep or blowing their tops off in a fiery, ash-spewing catastrophes. Spewing. The first word we will learn today is spew. Spew means gush or flow out rapidly and with force in large quantities. Most people think volcanoes are either sleeping or erupting violently, and that when they erupt, they spew ash or send large quantities of ash gushing from the volcano with great force. Spew and gush are synonyms. They mean the same thing. Please say the word spew. Now we're going to play a game called Imagine That. You will imagine a scene that I will write in your question back in your Google form. You will use the word spew to talk about what you imagine. So go back to the form and type in your answer for what you imagine for the scenarios that are given.